In case you already have Epic Games Launcher installed, it's perfectly fine to use it with your existing account. If you don't have it installed, let us begin. In order to install Unreal Engine, first you need to install Epic Games Launcher. You can get it from the link that I provided in the resources of this lecture. You can also find it by Googling Epic Games Launcher, in case something is wrong with the link I provided. In Google search, the Epic Games website usually comes up first. Click on this link. Click Download. Once the download is complete, launch the installation. Install Epic Games Launcher as you would install any other software. It's a fairly straightforward process. Once installed, register a free account and log in. I will use my credentials to log in. This is the Epic Games Launcher. It has the Unreal Engine tab. Click on it. Now, click Install Engine. Choose the desired installation location and click Install. This will take some time. Please don't pause the lecture. While you wait for the engine to download, let me teach you how to obtain an older version of the engine. Click on this plus sign. Now expand this list. Choose the desired version of the engine and click Install. Now you might be wondering, why would you choose to use an older version over the latest one? Well, some third-party plugins might not be compatible with the latest version. It's not essential, but some very useful plugins might actually sway your choice towards an older version. We will discuss this further as we progress through the course. That's all for this lecture. I hope everything went smoothly for you. If you encountered any complications, feel free to ask for my assistance in the questions section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once the engine installation is complete, you can move on to the next lecture.